So here I've got a Home Basics hanging organizer with hooks. It's for things like mops and brooms and little items used maybe for cleaning. So here's the organizer itself. So I have it, it's thin enough to fit between, say, washer and wall. Comes with a bunch of hooks, so if you need to hang anything via the hooks, it's pretty good. It'll hold. It's got 6 hooks, and then it has 5 holders for the brooms, which is pretty cool. It comes with the little screws and the wall mounts, which was pretty good. It's pretty solid. I was able to get it into, I think, maybe 1 stud, but even still, it's still pretty solid. So it's a pretty good little organizer, fit into tight spaces.